What's up, y'all? It's Bacon here on this beautiful snowy Sunday afternoon in Germany. I don't know about you, but for me, when it's a cold, dreary winter day out and I'm not able to go skiing or do something fun, I just want to sit around, relax, and maybe sip on some bourbon. So my Sunday goal is attained. Today's bourbon is just a very basic Woodford rye. Nothing special, but it's a good staple to have in your liquor cabinet. So I figured, what better time than now to put out a video of who wins this week's giveaway or who just I'm going to donate to. This week I'm donating to a foundation that I actually just learned about this week and started following them on Instagram. It looks like an awesome charity that was started to support and celebrate humans and animals with disabilities. The foundation is belikejosh.org, in which they help rescue, rehabilitate, and rehome dogs with special abilities. If you've never seen any of these dogs, they're absolutely some of the cutest pups out there. Just check out Josh the Doodle on Instagram to see for yourself. They also visit elementary and high schools to promote kindness and inclusion. That's based off their website, and once you see these characters, you'll understand how. As they discuss on their site, and you can imagine, these dogs end up being ignored when it comes to adoption, or even worse, discarded as bad or broken dogs due to the additional work required to raise and train them. In reality, there's no bad dogs, just bad owners, and they should never be discarded regardless of their abilities or lack of. If you can watch their video on Instagram and not say to yourself, holy shit, these puppies are the cutest dogs ever, there's something wrong with you. So take a minute, check out their site, check out their Instagram. I'll have the links to both in the details below. At a bare minimum, they'll put a smile on your face with how adorable they really are. If you enjoy this video, like the idea of this charity or any other charity, and would like to be involved in more weekly giveaways, smash the like button, subscribe, and definitely comment. If you're unsure as to how I'm doing the giveaway, I'll link to the explanation video in the details below also. Cheers!